Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Enter this evolving two-story gem, well on its way to becoming a masterpiece. It is located on Oakridge Road, Kingston 8, currently 70 to 75% complete. It eagerly awaits your touch to reach its destined status as an unparalleled work of art. With 6 bedrooms and 6 bathrooms, this meticulously crafted home defines luxury and comfort. The ground floor gracefully unveils a foyer, a living area, a dining space, and a sitting and TV room, and an open back patio merging indoor and outdoor areas. This level also hosts a bedroom with an ensuite bathroom, a spacious kitchen, and laundry facilities. Concealed is a discreet 5-car garage and 2 helpers' quarters. Ascend the timbered staircase to find the master suite overlooking the living area, featuring his and hers closets, a master bathroom, and a space ideal for an office or wet bar. Nearby are 4 bedrooms, each with its ensuite bathroom, with all hardwood floors exuding sophistication. This residence sits on 2 acres, mostly flat to gently sloping. This property invites boundless potential. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.